Good evening, distinguished compatriots. The Uniform Information Center continues its operation from Yerevan. First of all, the situation at the front line. Today, since early morning again, the enemy initiated attacks into three directions. Through the whole day there have been perseverant fights going on, specifically in the south, close to Arak's bed, where our armed forces have been resisting the enemy's aggression. There are losses on both sides, significantly larger among the enemy, in some cases thrown back. The situation continues to remain heavy. Our armed forces heroically fight in all directions, the rival applying significantly larger forces, specifically infantry, attacking, assaulting groups, artillery, air force. The situation remains quite tense, with some quieter in the evening and night, but in the morning the attacks becoming stronger, sometimes calming down, then coming back. We have questions before we refer to the questions as regards the issues of COVID. For some clarification, I give the floor to the representative of the Ministry of Health, Gayane, Sahakyan. Good evening, dear compatriots. These days, the situation with the pandemic of the coronavirus has aggravated significantly. The number of cases has grown for the last 14 days, doubling. Only yesterday and today we have record numbers of coronavirus positive cases, as 1,058 cases the previous day and 1,357 today. The situation remains very difficult, very heavy, and the general aggravation with the condition of the pandemic is first of all because of the inobedience of the main rules. Well, in a martial law, naturally conducive environment for the spread of the coronavirus has emerged because of the movement, because of the close contact, because of the overburdened public transport, and of course transportation in different directions. In such condition, we may not forget about keeping the social distance. Of course, the Ministry of Health continues carrying out the main measures fighting the coronavirus. At the same time, we are organizing certain steps related to reduction in possible contact. You know very well that from today all the educational facilities, preschool as well, have temporarily stopped their operation in consideration of the instructions issued by the Minister of Health. Another very important measure still aimed at reducing the possible contact is working from home distantly because of the nature of the work that has to be carried out naturally. The Ministry of Health urges all the employers and businesses, depending on the nature of work, if it is possible to make the staff work distantly, then please do that, especially if there are risk group representatives among your employees and pensioners. In such a situation, the pandemic may even worsen, just because the country is in the season of respiratory diseases and flu specifically. In this respect, the Ministry of Health continues organizing sufficient purchase of vaccines. All the polyclinics, outpatient treatment facilities have the necessary quantities. If there are persons representing the risk groups and they hear us now, please apply to your outpatient treatment facilities in your respective districts and get the vaccines, because COVID may worsen if you also get infected with seasonal flu or other respiratory diseases. Distinguished compatriots, the fight against the coronavirus is not only limited to the health system. We have to permanently remember that we coexist with the virus. and the virus is dangerous. It is even more dangerous in a war, because we're fighting now an invisible enemy. By our behavior, we may put our kin and relatives at threat. That's the reason that all the doctors, physicians are now bringing all their efforts to help those wounded in the war. So we may have our own contribution to making the front lines stronger and the rear as well. If we keep the three most important rules: wear masks, keep the social distance, and keep the hygiene, wash the hands. So thus, we're going to win on both fronts. Thank you. We will move now to the online questions. Banak Info. What were the main arms used to hit Su-25 of the Azeri Armed Forces? Well, Mr. Torsan, one of the air defense measures used. Point 24, what's the situation in Karvajar at this moment? Well, it's relatively calmer in Karvajar, no heavy fights. Shabbat AM. Have there been any cases of coronavirus among the military servicemen? If yes, how many? Well, frankly, we do not have the statistics. And this arduous battle and the perseverant fights we're taking, we're not even able to test, because all the armed forces are now in certain actions, in some cases more intense, in some cases more quiet, in some cases on shifts, so it's truly very difficult. Well, apparently there are no questions. My dear compatriots, we're losing the most precious friends of ours these days, protecting our land by their blood. I believe in our victory. That's it.